I guess how to install SQL Server or SSMS. Just go to Google, just type here SQL Server download. Now you will get SQL Server download Microsoft. Just open and scroll down. We have two options here. One is developer expression. We can download either developer or expression. Now I can download developer. So once you download a option, just go to download option. We have a SQL Server download. This is a SQL Server download. Okay. And also we have to download another one also. I already installed SSMS also setup. So see how to download that one also. Just to go to again, come back here, get back and type SQL Server main name in Studio. This is download SQL Server main name in Studio. Just click on it and scroll down. This download SSMS here. Download SQL Server main name in Studio. Previously we have a 19 version. Now we have a latest version 20.2. So just click on it. Just hit button. Once you download these things, you have to install. Just try it how to install those. Okay. First you go to download. Already installed in the SQL Server. This is a SQL Server, and you will get SQL Server Edition 2022. We have a three option here. One is basic, custom, download media. Just go to basic. You already accept it and install. Guys, you already installed our mission. I don't install in my mission again. Please install here. You continue that process. Okay. I will close this one. Once you complete this SQL Server 2022 developer edition, again you have to go to SQL Server main name studio. So this is SQL Server main name studio. Just install and click and wait and go one by one step. So there, once you complete SQL Server main name studio, and you can practice whatever you want. Thank you for watching this video.